Hi there, students. Egress, to egress, and the opposite, ingress, to ingress. Okay, egress is either a noun or a verb meaning an exit, to go out, to leave a place, the way out, the outdoor. So we egressed through the back door. Notice this word is very formal, yeah? So to ingress, to go in, to enter, the entrance, the way in. We ingressed through the egress. We went in through the outdoor. Water is ingressing into the building, and we need to find a way to stop it, because this water is damaging the fabric. The egress from the alley was blocked by armed guards. Okay, the exit. So ingress, entrance, egress, exit. That easy. Notice we can also use egress and ingress, talking about permission to enter or permission to leave. So all egress was prohibited. Apparently also they use this word in astronomy. Maybe you've got the moon and you see a spacecraft coming between you and the moon. When it enters the moon and you can see the moon behind it, that's the ingress. And when it leaves, that's the egress. So it's still talking about coming in and going out. Now, as I said, egress, this is very formal. I think I'd probably give this a 7.5, maybe even an 8 in formality. Ingress, probably 7 or 7.5 in formality. But you can't use either of them in an informal conversation. People are going to think, what's wrong with this person? So, go in, enter, go out, exit. Much easier words. I think you might use this in something semi-formal, and it sounds much better in something like a formal set of instructions or rules or a contract or something like that. Notice as well, both to ingress and to egress are regular verbs. He ingressed, he has egressed. He came in, he's come out. So what about origin? Well, once again from Latin. In, gress. Gress comes from gradi in Latin, a step. So step in, step out. There are also various other words with gress. You can regress, go back to a former, less developed state. Yeah? His character regressed to that of a baby. And the opposite of regress, to progress, to go forwards, to develop. But maybe I digress. I'm going off at a tangent. Okay? So, to ingress, to go in, and ingress, an entrance. To egress, to go out, an exit. So, there we go. I hope you're making progress with your English. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ingress, egress, progress, regress, and even digress.